Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ericha Dhea Permadani from Critical Listening F class. Okay, today I will explain about deforestation effect on Amazon forest resilience. Okay. For the topic that I will conduct is first introduction, and then effect of deforestation on hydroclimate, and then effect of deforestation on forest resilience, and then conclusion. Okay, for the introduction, deforestation already reached almost 30% of the original forest area of the Brazilian Amazon alone. This is from Aguirre et al. 2016. Deforestation also affects atmospheric circulation pattern by altering land surface physical properties as well as the carbon cycle and the energy budget from Sampaio et al. 2007, Liuchen et al. 2015, and Kana et al. 2017. As a result of vegetation-atmosphere interaction, clear cutting of Amazonian trees is expected to amplify the dry season. It is from Norbert et al. 1991, Sampaio et al. 2007, and McFeedy et al. 2011, Spreckland et al. 2012, as well as internal draft by Da Silva et al. 2008 and Bagley et al. 2014. Okay, next slide is for effect of deforestation on hydroclimate. Forests in southwestern Amazon, then 961 until 62 West Pond Rendo et al. 2004. Our simulation for this location indicate a decrease of 2% and 27% respectively. One possible explanation for this discrepancy is the omission of other factors controlling evaporation changes in our approach, such as leaf area affecting intercepted water by the canopy that represent around 40% of total evaporation flux over the Amazon forest. It is from Wang and Larson et al. 2014. Okay, another reason might be that we use large-scale data to calibrate our evapotranspiration model for a range of different hydroclimate regimes in tropical South America. By doing so, we may also run the risk of underestimating the differences introduced in evapotranspiration following deforestation in compared to study using fine-scale observation over already deforested areas. This is from Silvero et al. 2015. Okay, for the effect of deforestation in resilience, our results reveal that impact of Amazon deforestation on the resilience of a forest is maximal in the southwestern part of the Amazon, a region that covers a quarter of the current forest, figure number 3. For a complete Amazon deforestation scenario, which is unrealistic but can be used to evaluate the maximal potential ecological impact of deforestation. Fractional reduction in forest resilience average 5%, best estimate, and 25% upper bound in the southwestern Amazon. In our simulation, region where forest resilience decrease often overlap with deforested areas. Practically, this implies a difficult recovery to the forest state even with proper restoration effort. This is by Hirota et al. 2011. While the intensity of change vary of different deforestation scenarios, spatial pattern remains the same. In figure 3, indeed, the southwestern part of the Amazon basin is a sink of contention is a sink of continental moisture recycling. This is from Van der and et al. 2011, Zem et al. 2014, and the resilience of its forest is originally low due to more pronounced dry season and lower annual rainfall. This is from Zem et al. 2017. Our results agree well with Paredes and Costa in 2013, who found that southwestern Amazon forest is likely to enter the bioclimatic equilibrium of savannas following Amazon deforestation. And for the next is our conclusion. We stimulate the effect of the Amazon forest deforestation on water fluxes, for example, evapotranspiration, atmospheric moisture transport, and rainfall. And forest resilience using a statistical model relying on observation-based hydroclimate and vegetation data. Our results indicate that resilience of the southwestern Amazon forest will be systematically eroded, regardless of the deforestation rate. This suggests that this region will become more vulnerable to environmental perturbation, such as fire, logging, or extreme drought event, which provide feedback on each other and might trigger large forest degradation. This is from Brando et al. 2014. This region is already vulnerable to such perturbation, as shown by satellite observation of the canopy structure that recovered slowly after the intense drought in 2005 from Sachi et al. 2013, as well as fire activities related to dry period in the last decade from Morton et al. 2013, Boyser et al. 2015, constrained climate stimulation with observation and suggest the Amazonian dry season will be intensified by the end of the century. Combined with further deforestation, this might shape the southwestern Amazon forest toward a dry climatic equilibrium with less tree cover. The risk of such a vegetation shift might be even higher if deforestation occurs both in the Amazon region and central Brazil from Pires and Costa 2013. And this is the reference that I use in this presentation. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.